Hello and welcome to my today's live trading video. This is Pocket Option Euro US Dollar OTC. As you see, in the past there was a big up movement, relatively strong here, with a little bit weaker here. You see I've drawn two support lines here and here. This one I've placed here, connecting these, taking the extremes out, and this one placed below this, low. You see the upper support line is broken downwards right now. I would expect that the chart will move up again a bit and go deeper, or breaks through and continues the uptrend. This line is another point where the price may reverse upwards again. Now I'm waiting for a reversal candle formation to maybe enter a trade. You can see it on the trend line as well. Price breaks through here, goes back here, goes back again, and goes down. This can often be seen with trend lines and with support and resistance lines. As you see, I'm in the 1 minute chart and trading 2 minute or 3 minute options up to 5 minute. If I want to trade 10 minute or 15 minute options, I would choose the 5 minute chart, and for 1 minute options I would choose the 30 second or 15 second chart. This is a chart formation for showing the continued trend. I've tried to enter here in this line. This doesn't work out really in this case, but this is my fault. So let's have a look at some other charts in the meantime. This, for example, the market I would avoid to trade. Many big candles, many extreme highs, lows. This looks much better for example. You can see the wave characteristics. And when the price moves in one direction, it keeps moving for some time. This is not the best. I really recommend to trade for some time inside the demo account or with low investment. To get a feeling for the market to trade and the market not to trade. To practice drawing, to see how the price reacts at specific levels and how to use Fibonacci, etc. You can see here reversed the price when touching the resistance line. After breaking through, it becomes a support line and has the same functionality, just in the opposite direction. The same count for trend lines. You see, the price almost exactly touches the line and starts to go back. This would is one chance, or this is the other. getting some experience in this is the only way to master binary options or forex trading in the long run. So I hope I could show you a little bit. It always depends on your strategy. If you trade a trend following strategy, you should look for a good trend. If you look a breakout strategy, for example, you need to look for sideward markets. This way, for example. So it starts with your strategy. You need to know how it's working, when to use it not. If you know this, you need to detect markets you can use for a strategy. I hope you liked the video. If so, please like and share the video below. Leave a comment if you like. And I wish you lots of success with your trading.